today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to make these 3 wonderful barbecue sides. You're going to need some easy, quick sides to make, right? So I'm going to show you guys in this video how to make some easy VeeTee rice, some yummy, sweet fruit salad, and a wonderful Southwest taco salad. So if you guys want to see how I make these 3 recipes, please keep watching. So another great side that you can use at a barbecue is VeeTee rice. This rice is super easy to make. It literally takes 2 minutes to make if you just pop it in the microwave. It is gluten-free, it's vegan, it has no artificial flavors or colors in it. It's a non-GMO rice and it's super easy to make. So it's one of my favorites. You literally just pop it in the microwave and then I just put it in a bowl and serve it to my guests. So what you're gonna wanna do is just pierce it several times before you put it in the microwave. Just put some holes in it. And then you're just gonna place it in the microwave for 2 minutes.
Here's a tip. By using the microwave, you're not heating up your kitchen and you're doing less work.
So now I'm just gonna peel the cover off. Oh, look. Actually smells really good.
So VeeTee rice can be found on their website, VeeTee.com. They can also be found at Kroger, Walmart, and many other supermarkets and grocers. Here's a great tip. All of these recipes call for little to no heat in the kitchen when barbecuing.
This I'm going to show you guys is my Southwest salad. It's so easy to make. It's literally 5 ingredients. That's all it takes. All you need is some lettuce. This is regular green leaf lettuce. I have some tortilla chips here, some sweet peppers, Mexican sweet peppers, some Mexican cheese, and some black bean corn salsa here. So all you need are these ingredients. You're gonna chop up your lettuce, put it in a bowl, and basically just throw everything in there. It's super easy. It doesn't take a long time to prep, so let's get started. So I'm gonna take my lettuce. I did wash it off, so make sure you guys wash your lettuce before using it. I like to just cut it in these like little long things, and then I just go down the middle and chop it up like this, and then just literally throw it in the bowl like this. So I'm gonna keep cutting this lettuce, and then I'm gonna add in the rest of these ingredients. Alright, so you're literally just gonna dump everything in here. So I think I'm gonna dump these tortilla chips first. And then I'm gonna dump in the peppers. And then I'm gonna dump in, actually, you know what? I'm gonna do the salsa next. And this is black bean corn salsa. I can show you guys in another video how to make this if you wanna know how. Or you can just buy black bean salsa. They literally sell it in the stores. You don't have to make it from scratch, especially if you're in a rush. And then we're just gonna throw this cheese on top. And that's it. There you go. I mean, literally the easiest salad in the world to make. You just throw everything in there with the lettuce. So for salad dressing, I'm going to use this Hidden Valley Southwest Chipotle dressing. It tastes just like the salad dressing that you get when you buy this in stores. So I just pour a little bit on top. I'm gonna feed this to people, so I'm not gonna do that, but this is the one that I use. I'll let them make their decision whether they wanna put dressing on top, but this is it. It's super easy, you guys. So easy to make. All right, so the next recipe we're gonna do is fruit salad. This is a lime pineapple juice fruit salad thing I kind of made up. So the first thing I'm gonna do is throw these grapes in a bowl. You can use whatever fruit you want. You don't have to use what I'm using. I just love these specific fruits. So I have some grapes, some apples, I have some cantaloupe, some pineapples, some mango, and some strawberries. If you want to throw different berries in, you can do that as well. The next fruit I'm going to put in are the pineapples, and then we're going to throw in the cantaloupe. I mean, it's literally no specific order. It doesn't really matter. We're gonna throw in the strawberries. We're gonna throw in the mango and the apple slices. And if you want, you can peel the skin off your apple slices. but you don't have to do that. So you're just gonna mix all of the fruit together, like so. And then I'm going to make the juice to go on top. Okay, so I have some pineapple and a piece of lime in here. I'm not using a full lime because pineapple is already acidic and strong on its own. So by adding lime, you're making it even more tangy. So to balance that out, I'm gonna throw in some honey, some raw organic honey. But the first thing I'm gonna do is juice this stuff first. So I'm gonna turn on my juicer. I'm using a Breville juicer. It's one of my favorites. It's an inexpensive juicer, so if you're looking for a juicer, I will link it below. So it made about, 5 fluid ounces in here of pineapple juice. I'm gonna take some of this raw organic honey, just use the spoon, and I'm gonna put it in this glass bowl and warm it up in the microwave really quickly. And then we're gonna mix it in here. Okay, so I have the honey here. I'm just literally gonna pour it on top of the fruit. The fruit is already sweet, you guys, so you don't need a whole lot of honey. And then I'm gonna pour in this pineapple juice. Yum! You can just mix it in there. And if you don't want to leave the juice in here, you can kind of just let it marinate in this juice for a little bit, and then you can strain it and take out the fruit, and it just has that flavor in there, so you're not overdoing it with the pineapple juice. Alright guys, so everything's done. I'm going to take these outside so we can enjoy them in our barbecue. Alright guys, so I have everything here on my little cart for my barbecue. I'm gonna serve it all up and plate it for my family. Thank you for watching. Make sure you guys tune in next week for another episode of Oh Ashley.